In the name of Almighty God, I am going to start my English class. My dear students, how are you? Definitely you are keeping well, and I am also keeping well. Okay, my dear students, let me introduce myself in front of you. I am Ujjal Malakar, lecturer in English, Bhukshimoil Secondary School and College, Kolaura Mulubai Bazar. Today, I am present here with a new video, and I would like to share a new item. I have decided to talk about voice. We know that changing voice is an inseparable part of our English grammar, and we find voice in the transformation of sentences. In the question paper, we have to convert active voice to passive voice or passive voice to active voice as directed in the bracket. Okay, let's know about voice. Voice means in Bangla bachcho. It is divided into two parts: active voice and passive voice. The structure of active voice is subject plus verb plus object, and the structure of passive voice is object plus AB verb plus B3 plus by plus subject. AB verb means auxiliary verb. B3 means past participle form of main verb. Okay, my dear students, we know that the subject of active voice is changed to the object of passive voice, and the object of active voice is changed to the subject of passive voice. Okay, let's know about the definition of voice. Voice, the form of a verb which acts directly on the subject or object of a sentence is called voice. In the case of active voice, the form of a verb which acts directly on the subject and the subject remain active in the sentence is called active voice. In the case of passive voice, the form of a verb which acts directly on the object and the subject remain inactive in the sentence is called passive voice. Okay, my dear students, let's see an example for our understanding. Active voice. Shima makes tea. We have to convert this sentence into passive voice. Okay, we know that according to structure of passive voice, object comes first. Here. Okay, let me analyze this structure. This is subject. This is verb, and this is an object. Okay, according to structure of passive voice, object comes first. Here object is T, then come AB verb. AB verb, you have to change auxiliary verb according to subject or tense. this is an example of present indefinite. So we can use here according to the subject is. If the subject is singular form, the verb will be singular. If the subject will plural form, we have to use here plural verb according to this subject. Okay, my dear students, then comes B3. B3 means of this verb, makes, made. Then comes by, then subject Shima. Okay, my dear students, let's know another example. Shima is making tea. This is an example of present continuous tense. My dear students, if we find the main verb is present form for present tense, we can use am, is, are according to the subject. If you find the main verb is past tense or past form, we can use was, were according to this subject. If you find being, ing in the sentence, we can use being for this ing. If you find have, has, had, we can use have been, has been, had been in the passive voice according to the subject. In the case of modal auxiliary, shall, should, will, would, shall, should, will, may, might, might, can, could, must. We can use be with this auxiliary modal auxiliary verb. Okay, my dear students, here we can say ing is added at the end of the main verb. This is an example of present continuous. Okay, now this sentence is convert into passive voice. Object T, then comes AB verb, auxiliary verb is, then we can use being for this ing, and then come B3 made B3 of this main verb, then comes subject Shima. All these are examples belongs to assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. I am repeating this sentence again. Object. First we know that object, then comes every verb is, according to this subject and tense, then comes being for this ing, then comes B3 of this main verb, then comes by, then subject. Okay, my dear students, let's know about another example. Active voice. Shima has made tea. We know that object comes first, tea, then auxiliary verb. We know that has, if you find have, has, had, has, we can use has been according to this subject, has been. Then comes B3 made, then comes by, then comes subject. Let's see another example. Shima will make tea. We have to convert this sentence active voice to passive voice. Object comes first, tea, then comes every verb will, according to this subject. Will, if you find will, we can use be along with this auxiliary modal auxiliary verb. Then comes B3 of this verb made, then comes by, then comes Shima. Shima is a subject. Okay, my dear students, all these sentences are assertive sentence. Now I will finish my class. No more today. Thank you for staying with me. See you again. Goodbye.